front door. Front of the house. Entryway. Living room.
Can I have your sandwich?
On the other side of that wall is the kitchen.
Can I have your sandwich, please?
Yeah. Kitchen. Say hi, Matt.
Hello.
Here's our counters. They were gray, and they splattered them with paint. And they got it all over the wall. It's everywhere. All right. Pantry. Garage door. Laundry room. Oh, triple dryer. It's very big. Nelly. Baby girl. And then the shelves. Nick had to remove one of the shelves to fit the washer and dryer. But we don't have the right plug, so we have to get an adapter.
What's that?
Move. Oh, I have no idea. I'm doing that. All right, so living room, kitchen wall, fridge. Right there is the ceiling, and it's right there. Looks like it belongs in a teacher's lounge. This would be considered a breakfast nook. Cupcake! Hey, baby, we got it. Cleo. See the floor? It's actually vinyl though, it's not real tile. And yeah, this sounds the same as that. So I think it's aluminum. So here's the hallway. Room number 1. Master bedroom. It's not very big. Bathroom. Shower. Sink. We won't use the soap and toothbrush trays. Shower. It's pretty nice. Oh yeah, but that. I was like, oh, we'd get in trouble for that at Fort Irwin. Okay. So. Now. What door is this? Oh, linen closet. Here's the guest bathroom. Mirror. Bathtub, nothing fancy. Izzy's, it's not a room, it's a tiny space. It's where Mom say hi, Papa and Dad.
Hi.
Closet.
I put the box on the other side, like the boxes in my clothes last time.
Oh, okay. Hold on, let me get brothers. Matt has about 2 extra feet in his room because this wall. So you walk in, and here's Matt's room. It's still small, but it's way bigger than the other one. And then his closet. So yeah, it's weird. It's white walls with wood-colored doors that match the sideboards, baseboards. I'm still learning my way around here. Oh, okay. Like, so when you're in the living room, where are we? Oh, here's the living room. So we're looking in the living room, looking out. We have that really weird looking door color. I don't know why it's not white. It just seems off. But yeah, so this is it. Nick's canvas. I love you guys.